Hi, I'm Elizabeth with Wicked Edge. I'm going to show you how to set up and use your Wicked Edge Go Precision Knife Sharpener WE60. The Wicked Edge Go comes with a sharpener base, a standard vise with a top pivot screw and a bottom jack screw. There are two angle slide assemblies, including the standard angle slide, thumb screw, guide rod retention screw, guide rod, and an angle indicator on the angle slide that can be set at angles from 13 to 31 degrees. There are two abrasive handles with 200 and 600 grit diamond stones, two repeatability tools, the depth key and alignment guide, a vise key, a C-clamp for mounting the sharpener base to a work surface, and a practice knife. Now that you're familiar with the parts of your sharpener, I'm going to show you how to install the guide rods. Loosen the thumb screw and push the angle slide to the widest angle and tighten the thumb screw. Unscrew the guide rod retention screw and remove the little plastic ball. Place the guide rod against the guide rod socket and tighten the retention screw until the guide rod can stand up on its own. There are two options for mounting your sharpener to a surface. If you want to mount it directly to a work surface, you can use the holes, the edge of the blue base, or you can use the included C-clamp and mount it in the cutouts on the end of the blue base. Now that you know how to set up your sharpener, let's talk about safety in the next video.